Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off sound. Open settings, tap on the settings app icon, then tap on sound, then go down. So here we can see under other sounds and vibrations, we can see dial pad tones, screen locking sound, charging sound and vibration, touch sounds, touch vibration. So if we want to turn off dial pad tones, we can disable here. If you don't want locking sound, screen locking sound, we can disable here. If you don't want charging sound and vibration, we can disable here. If you don't want touch sounds, we can disable here. So this way we can control all sounds. We can enable or disable sounds here. Okay, so please try this.